Hi, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. Today I'm going to model a piece of furniture that you might think is difficult, but I will teach you how to model it easily in Rhino 3D. Draw a section of a bench in whatever shape you like. Redraw it using the Control Point Curve command. Adjust the curves by editing the control points. After that, copy it several times for more details and complexity. You do it by simply copying the command or setting the first and last cross-section, then using the tween between two curves. When all cross-sections are done, turn on the record history, then use the loft command to connect all cross-sections to create a surface. By turning on the record history command, you will be able to edit the shape after the loft command, and the main shape follows the curves. You transform the shape dynamically by moving and scaling the curves. By turning on the record history command, you will be able to edit the shape after the loft command, and the main shape follows the curves. You transform the shape dynamically by moving and scaling the curves. Use the contour command to cut the shape into the same sizes. Just set the direction and distance between contours and see the result. Extrude the curve and see the result. You can change the thickness of the extruded parts for a different result. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.